is not started. So recording is required to be started. Okay, every time faculty starts, recording is required to be started. Okay, just one of you keep track that recording is started. Okay, so seafarers are enjoying that special uh, 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 treatment, that they can join ships, they can travel across as essential service, like health services, like hospitals, nurses, doctors. They were also enjoying, they are still enjoying the special status as essential services during the pandemics. Okay, so shipping makes a, a big share in the progress of the country and development of the country. So if any country wants to have good development, the shipping has to be strong. And if India wants to be number one country economically, financially, industry wise, so India's also shipping has to be strong. But that much shipping is not strong as of now. That much development in shipping has not taken place because we are still not having so much infrastructure which is required for our size of a country. We require huge infrastructure. Infrastructure means roads, railways, development, goods transportation, large ports. Those are not there as compared to the size of the country. Like if we take compare India and China, China is having 10 largest ports in the world, 10 largest ports in the world, ranking between 1 and 10. All are with China. So largest port 1 to 10, all are with China. We are having our port JNPT, that is Nhava Sheva port, which is close to Mumbai. This port is ranking nearly 28th ranking. So just about 30 rank of Indian port, which is a largest port. But China is having top 10 ports in the world which are handling container cargo, which are handling this cargo loading and discharging or export and import to such an extent. Okay, so our port is on the ranking 28th. Okay, so from there you can see yourself how and where India stands in shipping. Okay, so shipping is not only the sailors are employed or the seafarers are employed. To employ seafarers, you require backup office, the manning office. To look after the ship, you require technical office, technical management office. In ports, to attend the ship, you require to have the office to attend the ship or to provide the ship whatever ship requires. So all these things are required. Loading and discharging of the cargo, you require people, you require agencies, you require organizations to transport the cargo from port, export cargo out of the port, bringing up to port, import cargo, taking out from port, all such type of things. You require people and industry. And shipping, if shipping is running, several thousand people are getting employment, and it is also a chance that people get employment through shipping. So overall development of the country is also getting through shipping. Okay, so let us see. Merchant Navy contributes very largely to industrialization and makes ITN less dependent, make them less dependent on foreign countries. Okay, so if Navy is strong, you will be less dependent. The matter of great pride that Indian merchant ships carry. एक minute, just a minute. Hello, Anji, good afternoon. हाँ, नहीं नहीं, मैं अभी मैं लेक्चर में हूँ, बाद में बात करता हूँ। हाँ, ओके। हाँ नहीं, 13:30 क्या टाइम, मेरे को लेक्चर है अभी। 13:30 क्या, ओके। ओके। सो इंडिया is actually manning foreign flag ships, and India's share is also quite large. So that means Indian officers and Indian seafarers, Indian crew are manning foreign flag ships. So running international ships, that is also a big chunk, a portion is done by India. And that is why Indian seafarers are everywhere at each and every corner of the world. Indian Merchant Navy personnel serving on foreign ships remitting their salaries to their families contribute large amount of foreign exchange. So because these sailors are working out, they are getting their salary in dollars and they are remitting the salary in their banks, thereby foreign exchange is coming to India. Okay, it is not so much large, but still some contribution is there. Okay. The Indian Merchant Navy is second line of defense that I have already explained you earlier. To summarize, the merchant navy of any country is a reflection of the industrialization and prosperity of the country. Okay, and God bless the merchant navy and all those serve its ships. So seamen is a special category. Okay. Here another some slide we have made. Why young men join merchant navy? Suppose now I ask you, why did you join navy? Why did you decide to join as a seaman? So answers will come that I want to go around the world. It will take me to different countries. I will be having opportunity to see the different culture of the people, culture of the different people in the world. So basically, you are not joining for that, and nobody is going to take you as a traveler, as a passenger on ship. You are joining, most of you are joining this because you are looking at the salary. You are looking at the salary that you will earn, or you have seen your neighbor or your relative or somebody who is working in the ship as a sailor. You are looking at him that his financial status is good and he is well-to-do person. So that is why you have chosen that I will also go on ship with this much amount of education, which can give me little more salary at early age. Otherwise, a people just with 10 standard pass, 12 standard pass, they cannot get any salary if they work here of that much, maybe 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 rupees per month. And that also lodging, boarding included. Lodging, boarding is free. So that much salary people cannot get. And that is why you have chosen this. This is what I feel. Okay. So early you are earning good earning, and that is the reason people are choosing to join merchant navy. At the same time, okay, this is one part of the story. At the same time, you are having a respected life as a sailor, seafarer. As I said, you are enjoying that essential services uh, community, and a special status and respectable job. So that's why that is the another part of the story. Okay, so that is why people join merchant navy. The young boys prefer to join merchant navy. Okay, but while joining merchant navy, there are also, it is not only salary you will get after going on ship, you have to work also. And this working on ship, you have to have knowledge, you must use your common sense, you must do hard work, you should be polite, and you should be obeying all the orders, you should be disciplined, you should be a good and neat worker. All these things are required as your inbuilt things. Okay, and that is why the institutes like training ship Rahman, they make good seamen by giving them a regimental training in campus. Now you are at home and just theory we are completing, but you are not exposed to that life what you would have been exposed if you would have been staying in the hostel, and we would have kept you busy from 5 o'clock to night 10 o'clock, and you would have been made as a rough and tough sailor. Like many things and many development, overall development of young boys is done when you are having a residential course, okay, which you are missing actually, okay. So but you have no choice. That is not chosen by you. It is because of COVID situation. We are not able to call you. Government is not allowing this colleges to open. So we have to live with it and complete our education. Okay. So anything else somebody wants to say? Why you have joined shipping? Anything other than that? What I am saying? The floor is open. One by one, you can tell me. कोई भी नहीं.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Seafarers get a good salary and their families can live good life, sir.
Yes, पता है. Okay. Okay. Yes, correct.
Healthy outdoor profession
Yes, correct.
can travel to many countries, meets lots of the people of other countries.
Yes.
Sir, you know how the world are is, and sir, merchant navy is advantage is, sir, travel more countries, travels more peoples, and something learn from. How can I say something, sir? That's it, sir.
Yes. Yes. Correct. So different culture you can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Different
Correct. Correct.
cultures. See.
Correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, please. Anybody else?
sir, we get an opportunity to serve as a second line of to serve our India as a second line of a merchant navy
Yes.
rather than
Second line
Indian
of
navy.
defense. Yes. Correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
and we get an opportunity to travel all around the world and serve and represent our India.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
And we can uh, we can get a chance to represent to our India and get a chance to be promoted to the higher levels like boatswain, a third officer, and then to the captain.
Yes, but that route actually what you should have taken is passing 12th standard and to join as a cadet. Okay, through
Yes,
seminar, so you can
yes, sir,
pursue
we
your
can.
career.
Yes, we can also do by GP rating. We can become a captain.
Yes,
I have,
you can, but there are many hurdles. It is not so easy. Okay.
but but we have the eagers to do. Then we can do that, sir.
Yes. But suppose that would have been there, then you would have got even 12th standard. You would have got better marks if you wanted to be in a better profession.
But as we can do it better than in 12th stand. But we have got a second chance to prove ourselves now.
Yeah. Okay. Safal Gharat. You are from which
Yes,
place?
I'm from Palghar, sir.
Palghar. Okay. Okay. Anybody else on this?
Yes, sir. I would like to speak. Can I?
Yes. Okay. Follow. Aniket.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Sir,
afternoon.
the main reason why I chose this profession was since my childhood, sir, I have been fascinated by reading stories of seafarers and their adventures which they used to take in the sea. And
Hmm.
that was the sole reason why I chose this profession. And also, since my childhood, I've been living in the proximity of the sea. I mean, I'm basically from Alibag. So I've been living near the sea, and it has always fascinated me to work in as a ship or to take in as this adventurous life. So I'm very much fascinated, and that was the sole reason why I chose the merchant navy as my profession.
Okay. Okay. So no problem. Okay. Next, any person more? Nobody else? Okay. Anybody, any one of you, now total attendance is about 30. Any one of you were trying for DNS and were not successful because of you scored less in 12th, or you were not aware only about this uh, DNS?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes, sir.
aware, sir. I'm diploma in
I am
nautical.
aware.
Hmm.
Yes, I
Okay.
want to.
Yes,
So
sir.
you could not get through because you got less marks in 12th.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes.
true,
Yes,
or
Yes,
you
sir.
sir.
did not get selected in the
Yes,
companies?
sir. We too. Yes, sir. I have selected from BMI Pune,
Okay.
but sir, uh, I will drop course because some reason of money.
Okay. Okay. That is Pune is Vishwakarma. Okay.
Yes, 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 sir.
So
Yes, sir.
which course you
I
were
have
doing?
selected Ship Management,
Okay, which course you were doing?
DNS.
You were doing DNS.
No, sir, but only just 1 month half. I will drop the course.
Okay. Okay.
My loan not
So
sanctioned and
so
drop college
so
fire out.
are you eligible for this DNS that you got more than 60% PCM, all those thing criteria you are fulfilling?
I have done training 2 months, but I have dropped my course in middle.
But anyway, I will discuss with you later. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay, sir.
any other boy who would like to express why he had joined, what is his ideas, what he feels about this, or somebody who doesn't know anything about shipping, he had just landed up here as a stranger. Okay. So if no more expressions are there, then we will continue with our topic that people join, many people get attracted towards shipping to join shipping, and they want to be sailor, they want to be officers, they want to do respectable job, they want to be financially well off, and their families also can be better. And there are different streams to get into this. And just to brief you, is one is marine engineering, one is diploma nautical science, means cadets joining on ship, then the BSc nautical science, then CCMC. CCMC is catering department. One is GP rating, one is ETO, electrotechnical officer. So many different ways are there through which you can join ship. Okay, so you have chosen amongst this is general purpose rating. Okay, now why this is called general purpose rating is rating means there are main two departments. Okay, main two departments are there on the ship. One is deck department and another one is engine department, and very small is catering department. Catering department is chief cook who prepares food for the people who are working on board. So that is a very small department. One chief cook and one maybe general steward. General steward means mess boy. So only two guys are there on ship. So that two guys form one department, that is a catering department, and a deck department and engine department. Okay. So this course you will be taught deck side also, that is navigation side also, cargo navigation like a seaman, and you also will be taught engineering, marine engineering. So engine room watchkeeping, engine room working, engine room machineries. So familiarization of that, as well as deck side working for cargo area as well as navigation area. So that also you will be taught at primary level. And as both field or both sections you will be taught. That is why this course is called as general purpose rating. Otherwise, this course earlier they used to be called as rating, deck rating, engine rating. So two different courses will be there. One will be for deck, one will be for engine. But that time what happens, if you join deck course, then you cannot join a ship in engine department. If you do engine course, then you cannot, suppose vacancy is there, somebody wants to select you and he wants you to go on deck side, but you cannot go because you have not taken education. So that is why the common education is given about both departments, that is deck and engine, so that job opportunities are more. So you can join either deck or engine wherever you have the job opportunity. Okay, if you get job in deck, you can still join and people can say that yes, I have even trained in deck department or engine department. Both departments you can join, and that is why it will be general purpose rating course. Okay, so this is very important because most of you are just talking GP rating, GP rating, GP rating like that. But if somebody asks you that what is this general purpose rating means, then you will not be able to answer. So now from today onwards, you will be able to answer in a better way. What is this general purpose rating? Correct, no? Yes, you agree with me?
I
Yes,
agree.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So general
Yes,
purpose
sir.
means deck and engine, both sides you are trained. That is why it is called as general purpose rating. Okay. Just away from our subject, Prabjit Singh Sohal, your this thing is not coming as attendance in the student. Why? You are in the list you are shown away from students.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So I had logged in as it was shown in the list only,
As,
sir, the PDF.
as visitor or as faculty?
No, as a student only I had joined in. So the previous two lectures it was properly coming in the attendees, but now it is coming in the presenters.
Okay, because otherwise what will happen? No, attendance may not come. So that's why I was wondering why your name is appearing on the, above the list of the students.
So,
Anyway,
sir, should
no
I
problem.
again log out and log in for it?
No problem. You can do that if you are visiting. Just log out and log in again. Let's see whether it happens. Okay.
Okay.
So, so let us go here now. Okay. To continue with our. Okay. So many countries traveling and all. This is all given here. And also now here they say by policy, Indian government also encourages ladies to join merchant navy. Okay. So this course actually the same the GP course or CCMC course or all the courses which are there to join the merchant navy are open for girls also. Okay, so ladies also can join this and they also can go on ship, and government wants that more and more girls also to work on ship. And of course as a crew we don't have any girls going on ship, but officers like captains, chief officer, second officer, third officer, we have girls working on ship or in all the ranks, all the ranks. Even captains are there sailing, Indian captains, girls, they are sailing as captain on ship, and even chief engineer, second engineer, third engineer. So that side also, the girls are sailing as officer on ship. Okay, so science and engineering graduates can also go out to sea. I have already mentioned that deck cadets and graduate marine engineers, marine engineering, then electrotechnical officers. So there are different branches through which you can join a ship. Okay. So these are small questions. What is the difference between merchant navy and defense navy? What is benefit of joining merchant navy and advantage of carrying cargo by ships? By road and rail. Okay, So this we have already discussed. So one small section of this portion is already finished. Now we will go to next section. Okay. So next section we are starting with types of ship. Types of ships. So types of ships means, okay. Now we have already explained that ships are carrying goods, and these goods we are calling them as cargo. Correct? No, we are calling them as cargo. Henceforth, we are not going to call them as goods. We are going to call them as cargo. So, as I have explained you, cargo is moving across the world from one country to other country, and merchant navy ships are transporting this cargo, and 90% of the cargo is moved by merchant navy ships. Okay, so this is about cargo. Now, some ships even carry passengers, but passenger cannot be as a cargo. Like you, nobody carries people from India and leaves them in Japan or leaves them in America. No, not like that. Passengers are traveling on the ship as for luxury, to spend their holidays. Correct, no? To spend their holidays, to enjoy. So passengers
Yes, sir.
the
Yes.
ship. So there are passenger ships also. But some passengers may be traveling as a need, not as luxury, not for enjoying, not for spending holidays. Like people who are staying in Andaman, people who are staying in Lakshadweep Islands, they are coming to mainland. Mainland means from Lakshadweep they will come to Cochin or Mangalore, or from Andaman they will come to Calcutta or Vishakhapatnam or Chennai as a need. Need means they require to come. Why? Because sometimes they may be requiring to have medical attention. Medical attention is maybe getting admitted into doctor or having some treatment in hospital. Maybe Andaman may not be having that facility. Then they may be traveling for coming to schools, colleges, education. They may be coming here for working. Working means job, because those many jobs may not be available in Andaman, or they may be coming here to do shopping. So different reasons these people are required to travel, and those are need based travel. One, passengers who are luxury travelers and holiday spending, rich people traveling on ship. Other one is needy people, but both are called as passenger ship. So basically there are two types of ships. One is cargo ship and other one is passenger ship. Okay, one is cargo ship and passenger ship. So somebody says that how many types, basic types of ships are there, then your answer will be two. Okay, your answer will be two. So one is cargo ships and passenger ships. During your exam, the multi choice questions, this question comes sometimes, that basic type of ships are 2, 4, 8, 10. So basic type of ships are basically two types of ships. One is cargo ships and one is passenger ships. You can note down in your notebooks this question for your exam purpose. You are going to have exam which is a written exam, which will be objective type questions, which are multi choice questions. So multi choice questions, which one will come? Like one question will be given and four choices will be given down below, which may have one answer correct. One answer correct, or that answer out of those four answers, that will be a perfect match to that question. So that you have to tick mark. So those are called as MCQ, multi-choice questions. So this question appears that basic types of ships. So cargo and passengers. Okay. In cargo, there are several types of ships. In cargo ships, under cargo ships, there are several types of ships, and This is coming like this types of ships. The in your book, which will be sent to you after scanning, the chapter is 1.2.3. Okay, and this is type of ships: cargo and passenger. Under cargo, these are all cargo ships. ये जो यहाँ दिखाई दिया है, these are all cargo ships. So whatever commodity you transport, whatever commodity you transport, different type of cargo, then different types of ships are required to transport that cargo. Okay, so what are these cargoes which are transported? See, I will give you example. Suppose on a road, a tempo or a truck, what it will carry? A truck, what it will carry? Somebody can unmute or answer.
Goods.
Normal goods.
Normal goods or normal cargo or packages or
Normal cargo. Can't carry a bulky goods.
Yes. Okay. So that is truck will carry. Suppose now I want to carry a water or milk. Can this truck is useful? Can this truck carry water?
No, sir.
So you require a different truck, or truck is same with
Different
engine,
vehicle. For
but
milk,
you
different
require a tanker. Correct? No, you require a tanker. Okay. Now suppose you want to transport LPG gas, then you require that tank in a different specification. You require, suppose you want to transport milk, then tank will be different, constructed differently. Correct? If you want to transport a container on a road, then you require a trailer. So different cargo, different types of cargo, you require to have different type of trucks or vehicle or arrangement on the road also. And similarly, it is true for ships also. So ships which are designed to carry different types of cargo, they are known by their that name which they are suited to carry that cargo. Okay, to start with, we will see that first type of cargo, that is general cargo ships. So this is the number one, general cargo. So as the word indicates, these ships will carry anything, any goods in small packaged quantity as general cargo. That means, suppose you have books. So books also can be packed, they will carry. You have electronic items. You have, suppose, bulbs. You have fans, tube lights. Those also they will carry. You have machinery items. That also they will carry. You have furniture. That also they will carry. You have, suppose, paint drums or chemical in small drums. That also they will carry. You have, suppose, rice which is packed in gunny bags, that also they will carry. So everything they will carry which is in packaged form, packaged form. So which is packed and made boxes. So these items will be carried by general cargo ship, and these ships are called as general cargo. Anything and everything they will carry, but it has to be in small quantities and package form. So general cargo ships are having size of about 20,000 tons. To carry cargo, 20,000 tons. Okay, so those are general cargo ship. Next type of ship is reefer ship. Reefer, refrigerated cargo. So अभी आपके घर में देखा, सपोज in kitchen you have a fridge. So suppose any perishable item you bring, like fruits, vegetable, milk, meat, chicken, fish, all these items you will preserve them in refrigerator. So cargo which is of this nature, which requires temperature control, including your medicines. So such cargo will be carried on refrigerated ships, and those are called as reefer ships. Okay, so reefer ships also size will be small because you cannot have, like, suppose you are in a kitchen, you have refrigerator. कितना बड़ा हो सकता है? Entire kitchen is not refrigerated. Only all that box is there. That is your refrigerator. Okay. On ship also you have refrigerators, but those are little larger size. Maybe one room is refrigerated. Okay, to keep reefer cargo. So reefer ships will carry refrigerated cargo, which will have these compressors to maintain the temperatures, and they will carry refrigerated cargo. Okay. So after seeing these two types of ships, one is general cargo and other one is reefer ships, we will stop here. Okay. So thank you so much. And any questions, boys, about earlier thing, whatever we have discussed?
Sir, I
Any
want to
question?
know the meaning of ITN.
You will? What is that?
ITN, sir. ITN. ITN, sir.
नहीं समझा नहीं, समझा नहीं, समझा नहीं, बोलो.
1 second.
Sir, I guess he's asking, in your previous slides, there was one term which was ITN. I guess he
ITN
wants to know
pass.
that.
No, it must be it is a spelling mistake, I think. There must be something else.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
I have
sir.
also seen that, but it must be having meaning something different. I also noticed that. यहाँ पे नहीं. Okay. I also noticed that. ये slide में?
No, sir.
No, sir. More back.
More back. Okay. Let us see.
Back, sir.
We will do some research on that. Okay, here. Okay. See the sentence. Merchant Navy contributes very largely to the industrialization and makes it. It है वो. Makes it.
Okay, sir. Makes
less
it less
dependent.
dependent.
Yes, sir. This is the
And we have
confusion.
to
It's
replace.
ITN.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
it is typed in a this thing, no? क्या बोलते हैं? Capital letters. That's why it is this thing. ये देखो. I have just removed it. Okay. So makes it
Okay, sir.
less
Okay.
dependent. Okay. So sorry for that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you.
Let me close the meeting. Let me stop the recording first.